today I'm making spaghetti sauce. Tomatoes ahead of time as they were coming out of my garden. I would just take the stem out and then cut the bottoms in half, and it makes the skins come off really easy. But through this machine a lot better than the regular ones. Just makes it so much simpler because their flesh is kind of, as they defrosted, it's kind of come apart a little bit. So it's really easy to go through this machine. Okay. As you can see, this thing was full of tomatoes up here, and they just kind of squished together, so the flesh is really nice and soft, and I just dump it in there. And run it through. The pulp, the seeds and the skins come out that side. Got this on Amazon for like 38 bucks. The only thing, I wish it went up a little higher so you could get a bigger bowl under it, but this works okay. Actually, when they've come, this is so much faster than doing fresh ones, although I'm going to do some fresh ones too. And these aren't paste tomatoes, they are Kellogg's tomatoes and Cherokee purple tomatoes and just whatever came out of the garden. And they make fine spaghetti sauce. guys, so that is how I process my tomatoes. It takes a while, about 2.5 hours to process. It was about 30 gallons of tomatoes, or 30 pounds, sorry, 30 pounds of tomatoes to do that recipe that's in the bulk canning book. I'll show you the book, and right up here, I'll show you the book, and I'll put below it what page it's on. So go ahead and look for that. We thought it was very mild tasting and didn't have enough flavor, so we went ahead and added a lot more garlic and some more spices. And my husband's just a really good cook, but I didn't have time to grab the camera and show you guys that because you just started messing with it and tweaking it. It turned out to be a very good, yummy, we had sausage in it, some pork sausage, and some pork Italian sausage, and then some hamburger meat in there. Mix those two together and put that in our sauce as well. So thank you for coming along with me today. Please take the time to like and subscribe, and as always, God bless.